Sardines make for healthy seafood, and it doesn't matter whether you source them fresh or already processed, they could offer a great deal of satisfaction. Packed with numerous health benefits, they could be a good way to get in more nutrients into your diet. But for many people are not sure if they can eat sardine bones. What are sardines? Not your regular aquatic animal, this tiny oily fish is popular for its meat, which is high in protein. Known to move in schools and found in the coastal region, they often serve as food for the bigger sea animals. The soft-boned saltwater fish is also sold widely in cans for consumption by humans. They get their name from the Sardinia island in the Mediterranean, where they can be found in large amounts. While they can be prepared raw by cooking them on a Himalayan salt block or directly in the oven like any other fish, they are popular as canned foods. They are usually packed in cans of oil, tomato sauce, or water, which help to keep them fresh for when they are ready to be served. What do sardines taste like? They have an original fishy taste that happens to be particular to this breed of fish. But for most people, avoid the fishy taste as they are considered too oily or strong smelly. However, they have a good smell and go well with many aquatic delicacies. They can be enjoyed any time of the day when prepared properly. Although they do not require much to prepare, you want to do it right to enjoy the high nutrition they provide to the body. How to eat canned sardines? There is no special way to enjoy your favorite seafood, but you want to be sure that you purchase quality sardine. Packed in cans mostly, you want to be critical about the safety of the meat. Most likely, you will have to get them from the store, except you are lucky to find them raw. And in most cases, you will have to visit the Mediterranean region where they are harvested from the water. They contain a good amount of salt, which usually helps to preserve them for future use. When packed properly, they can last a long time. Still, you want to check the expiry information to guide you on how quickly you can use it. There are a number of ways to prepare them in the kitchen. When harvested fresh, they can be smoked or grilled to enhance the fishy smell and taste. They can be seasoned with parsley, lemon juice, sea salt, or by including a hint of chile to spice it up. The soft bones can be chewed without even noticing them in your meal. But you want to be careful, as the soft bones could easily choke you if you miss them while chewing. And as a matter of safety, you want to chew your fish properly. If you happen to prepare them fresh from the water, you want to ensure that they have been deboned properly. You want to do the same thing when feeding kids. Get out the soft bones gently to prevent them from getting stuck in the throat. You could also opt to have them eat the sardine bones, as it is a good source of calcium. Do sardines have any health benefits? As you may wonder, are there any health benefits from enjoying a good supply of sardines? The truth is, when prepared properly and carefully, you can enjoy a rich serving of fresh sea fish, whether you include sardines or herrings in your meals. Some of the health benefits of sardine nutrition include: rich source of calories. A can of sardines can provide you with up to 190 grams of calories, which is enough to get you started for a productive day. Whether you enjoy them in the mornings or at night, you can be sure to get is some of your daily calorie servings for better health. And if you are looking to cut down on your daily calorie intake, you can find it to be just right for you. Rich in fat. Known to have just the right balance of fat nutrition, a can of sardines can provide you with up to 18 grams of fat. This includes both saturated, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated fat, which can help with providing a good supply of daily energy. You want to be careful how much you consume regularly if you are looking to cut down on body fat. Still, you shouldn't have to worry about your weight with regular consumption when you watch what you eat. Good source of fish protein. Aquatic animals are known to be a good source of protein, and sardines can provide you with up to 23 grams of protein from just one can. And this can help with maintaining healthy blood vessels, organs, and muscles. You will surely be getting a lot of health benefits from consuming sardines regularly, and it could help improve brain health, fight depression, and bump up your immune system. Can you eat sardine bones? The meat and bones are edible, and they are soft enough to be chewed by kids. but due to the tiny nature of the bones, you want to be careful when consuming them. The best choice is to prepare them and chew them properly. You want to also watch out for any of the bones when you swallow. Together with the meat, they provide you with the nourishment you need to get on with the day's task. If you worry about the bones, you can opt for a canned option that contains sardines that have been deboned. This boneless option could help with avoiding the discomfort that comes with bones getting stuck in the throat. But you should know that if you eat sardine bones, it could help add to the calcium content of the meal. Still, since they are soft and easy to chew, you won't have any problem if you choose to enjoy them right from the can or directly from the grill when prepared fresh. Sardines make for a rich source of animal protein and are packed with other nutrition. They could help provide the body with proper nourishment. You want to ensure that you chew them properly and buy healthy options that have been preserved properly. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.